Him first? Okay, go. Battery's gonna die. Go. Tia. Tia, come here.
We look at the retreat. We get a retreat. Shut up.
Tia, come here. 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 Tia, come. This is so cruel.
Okay.
Make her walk over there. She's like high stepping.
Jeez. My stomach hurts.
These things don't even stay on. They're so stupid.
Okay, wait.
Tia, come here.
No, she's getting good, man. She's fine.
Tia, how are your shoes? Do you like your shoes? Tia, do you like your shoes?
The backwards are the best.
You don't like your shoes or what?
Did you get it from the back? Gia.
Tia. Oh man, she does look like a boxer.
Are you getting that?
Oh yeah, this is fucking hilarious.
Oh my god.
Don't let her bite on him. We gotta return him. Don't let her bite on him. Take him off of her.
She's stuck to the carpet. Okay. Okay, Tia, stop. Oh, look at that.
Take him off of her. Oh man. She's like, I'm gonna eat those up. Tia, that wasn't fun? Hey, that wasn't fun? No? You don't like shoes, do you?
Oh my god, that was the funniest thing I've ever seen.